daily exchange, guys. That's what it looks like. Have a good one.
Hey guys, this is Jared Wesley of Livetraders. Welcome to my HLF and Baidu trade review. It's been a little while since I've had a chance to talk to you guys, but I wanted to go over a couple really good trades that happened today. And the reason I mention that is because a lot of people complain that August is a really slow month and you can't make money in August. And although I agree it is slow, you can always, and I'll repeat, always make money in the market, guys. Every day there's a stock that's moving up or down or sideways or this way or that way. It's our job as traders to be diligent scanners so that we can find those stocks. Okay, so this morning one of my favorite stocks on my gap list was HLF, Herbalife. You see it right here, HLF. So I'm not going to focus so much on the pre-market, although you can see the daily here. What a beautiful gap, getting almost above this prior pivot right there with room to move back to $74, okay? So this was a beautiful gap this morning in an otherwise boring market, okay? So I was looking to take this trade very early today, and I did. I got a little quick scalp off the open at $67, but the trade I want to focus on is this. And let me blow this up just a little bit so you guys can see this better. So we're going to move from the daily chart over here, this beautiful gap right there, to the 5-minute chart right here. The two things you're going to notice, one, I don't have any moving averages on here. Okay, why? Because they're worthless. You don't need any indicators. Don't get me wrong, I shouldn't say moving averages are worthless, but you don't need any indicators, guys. Price and volume. Price and volume. You combine that with relative strength and a nice gap and you're good to go. So no indicators for me. No indicators for me. So what do we have here? Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low. A beautiful 3-4 bar pullback with a bottoming tail, a little doji bar. Guys, we bought this right there. Okay? Right there. You see it right there? 67.19. Our entry was 67.20. Our stop loss was under this, so that's 66.80. Okay, we actually went low of the day, 66.60, with the idea or the thought process that we could add back to this, and I'll tell you why. You see the prior pivot high here at $68? Notice the daily pivot down here at $68? Well, I knew this stock was struggling to get over 68. So our goal was simply get this thing up to 68, raise our stop to even, and then if it gave us a pattern, now we wouldn't know until it happened, but the assumption was it stopped at 68 here and the daily had a pivot at 68. So if we got back up to 68 and gave us a little bit of a pattern, we were going to take this again over 68, meaning add to it. So our initial trade was 67.20 with a stop at 66.60. Okay, what did we do? Now look at this beautiful consolidation here, guys. Look at the volume drop at the bottom, and then when it triggers, you get that beautiful volume spike right down in there. It breaks $68. What do? We add a full lot. Now, why do we do that, guys? To accelerate our winners. Okay, so we add a full lot at $68. We raise our stop right here, $67.50. So think about what I just said there. So you're in at $67.20 with a stop at $66.60. That's a 60-cent stop loss. If you add a full lot at $68, what's your new cost average? You guys can do the math. 68 plus 67.20 divided by 2. 67.60. Our new stop loss is 67.50. Do you see what we just did right there? Do you see what we just did? We just took what started out as a 60-cent stop loss and we turned it into 10-cent stop loss. So as soon as this thing breaks 68 bucks, you're already 40 cents in the money, but you're only risking 10 cents. Stock goes up, 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 boom. We actually dumped this right in the 68.50 area, but it ultimately went up to 69.39. That, guys, that is professional trading. Now, because things are a little bit slower, I typically take half to third lots these days. So I didn't make a grip load of money on this like I normally would have. It would have been over $1,000 winner on this trade, okay? But instead it was in the hundreds of dollars, all right? Because again, it's been a nice month. We're moving out of earnings season, and I want to protect those profits, but I still want to make money, okay? So, you know, a couple, $300-400 bucks on this trade. But what made it possible, what made this trade possible, was this beautiful daily gap combined with this perfect 5-minute pullback with the perfect 5-minute breakout. Guys, this is literally perfect trading. And on top of all of those things, let's take a quick look. What did the SPY do for the first hour of the day today? It pulled back, right? The SPY went down. It went lower, okay? Take a look at HLF. HLF stayed near the highs of the day while the SPY was pulling back. And here's the beauty. Let's go back to the SPY. Let's go to the 15-minute. Where are we at? Support. Extended into support equals a bounce, guys. The market's still open. The market's still bouncing right now. Extended into support equals a bounce. So, with that in mind, think about the logic here. HLF was already stronger than the market. Check. That's really good relative strength. The market is getting extended into a prior pivot area of support, which usually means it's going to bounce. So wait, let me get this right. We have a stock that's already at the high of the day showing strength to a weak market. And now we get a weak market that's at support and is likely to bounce. Boom! That's dynamite right there. That's dynamite. And what was HLF? Dynamite. Okay, guys, that's the kinds of trades. These are the kinds of trades that we take at Live Traders. Look, I only took 2 trades today. I took HLF and I took Baidu. Did I make a gazillion dollars today? No, I did not. Very small lots today. It's Monday. It's summer. It's the end of the summer. The next couple weeks are going to be a little slower, but there's still great opportunity out there. Okay, so let's take a quick look at Baidu. Guys, look at this beautiful scalp. Okay, what we have here is a perfect 1 minute, okay, a little bit more aggressive, 1 minute 3-bar play. Wide bar ignites the move. The next 2 bars are simply resting bars in a strong stock and then blast off. Guys, we hit our target in this in less than 2 minutes. And again, not huge money because I'm not risking huge right now. You still walk away with almost 700 bucks today, and I traded literally an hour? Come on now, that's not bad. And that's on partial risk. On a normal day, this would have been a $2,000 to $3,000 day. On a normal day, this is a $2,000 to $3,000 day. Monday in the summer, it's 700. So be it. The beauty of it is wide bar, narrow bar, blast off. These are the types of trades. These are the types of patterns that we take here at Live Traders. Okay, this is what separates us from everybody else. We're very disciplined, we have a specific approach, and we make money doing it. If you haven't checked out the Live Traders chat room, you need to. It's one of the best places you can be. Guys, it's not always about making tons of money. Sometimes it's about staying out of trouble. I tell traders all the time, you should never, ever, ever blow up a trading account. If you do or you did, then your money management sucks. Sorry for the language, but it's just the truth. If you've ever blown up an account, then you have poor money management. When you're a new trader, you should be risking $5, $10 a trade. That shouldn't hurt you if you mess up. Maybe you lose 50 bucks and you really messed up. Start small, earn the right to raise your risk. Then you can trade like me. Then you can trade like Unmol, 1,000, $1,500 risk. Now you can make $2,000 and $3,000 on a trade. Have $20,000, $30,000 a month. Make $200,000, $300,000 a year. All those things are possible, but it starts small and it starts slow. Okay, if anybody tells you otherwise, they're lying to you. Start small, start slow, never blow up an account. And when you need help, go get it. Go seek it out. If your account has a 10 or a 20% drawdown, it's time to think about getting help. Okay? I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on HLF and Baidu. That's Live Traders Trading, guys. The best place you can be to learn how to trade. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the flip side.